Hey everybody, good morning. Good Sunday morning to you. I cannot believe it is the Sunday before Christmas. Can you? How is your Christmas planning going? Have you got your shopping done? What about your meal? What are you doing for Christmas dinner? I would love to know. Just tell me down below. We are going to be spending it. It looks like here, I've got the stuff to make for me what is a fairly simple ham Christmas dinner that we're going to share with just probably two sons that will be here. It's going to be a very quiet Christmas and as a family that used to have 7 children, Christmases were rambunctious. And when we lived in Texas, our friends down there, our good friends, they had 6 kids, and we would often get together for holiday meals. That was wild, but it was so much fun. We had such a great time. I miss them. Tammy, if you're watching this, I miss you. Okay, so I thought I would get into what I am wearing this Sunday, and also I just tell you a little reminder about something on the channel, but let's start with the clothes. So I'm going to be wearing this red wool trench that I got on Amazon a year ago, got a great price on it. I do need to tighten up these buttons though. In case you didn't know, on outerwear coats, having loose buttons, that's what they're supposed to do, because they need so much give with things you put under there and the way you move. If you put them on tight, if they're sewn on tight, they're much more likely to pop off. So there's a piece of information you didn't ask for, so you don't ever want them to be tight against it, but I can tell these are getting a little too loose, and I'm going to give them a little stitch up there, I think, before we leave. So this is a wool trench. It can come all the way up, and I don't think it's available anymore. And underneath I do have 3 items from different unboxings. I'm about to give up something out of an upcoming unboxing on the 30th, my front door fashion unboxing. I love front door fashion. I found these pants, and I normally try not to reveal the items before the unboxing to you guys, but it is cold outside. It's 30 degrees. I don't like cold, so I'm not wearing a dress, and I'm going to wear these pants because I've got them, and I say in the video when I put them on that I'm going to keep them, so be sure and tune in to that unboxing on the 30th. This burgundy top is from Wantable. It was my first Wantable unboxing. Very poorly done unboxing, by the way, but the clothes were great, and I got this sheer dotted. I love the little cuffs. The back is also sheer. I put a black cami underneath there. That'll give me a little added warmth too. And this is actually a t-shirt fabric, it feels like right here, but it has a dressy feel to me, so this is what I am wearing. And then on my feet is they're booties. They're actually studded booties. I got my Stitch Fix. I wear these a lot. Stitch Fix tends to do really well with me with shoes. I'm putting lots of plugs in. I didn't plan to when I did this, but Stitch Fix is coming up this coming Thursday. My 4th fix will be up. That's an interesting one. You're really going to want to see it. Oh, let me tell you about my necklace. My daughter's got this for me. It is kind of a pink stone in a rose gold metal. I just love it. Even the back is pretty. Look at that. Isn't that pretty little thing? Can you see it? I just love this necklace. I had admired it in my daughter's store when we went down to visit her in Lexington. Ashcroft and Oak is the name. If you're in Lexington, Kentucky, and go to the mall, Ashcroft and Oak, they're very nice jewelry. My daughter works there. Go in and say hi to Alex if you happen to be down in that direction. And then I've got on this ring. This was actually purchased, believe it or not, at, I think it's called the Gold and Silver Pawn Shop from Pawn Stars in Vegas. My husband worked there for several years at Nellis Air Force Base, and I went in there one day and I bought this just so I could have something from them, and so I do wear this on occasion. So that's what I'm wearing today. Be sure and check the video before this one. It's about a giveaway I'm doing as an appreciation for reaching 250 subscribers, and as of this morning, I think we're at 260 or 261, so thank you guys so very much. It's just for a $25 Wantable gift card. I will choose one person. Watch that video so you can see the rules. You can get a peek at BJ there. And I just want to give you a heads up of that so you can get an opportunity. Not too many people have commented, so your chances of winning that are good. And if you're in Europe, it will be a $25 a gift card to Stitch Fix if you get that service there. Alrighty, I've talked long enough. I'm going to get going. Thank you so much for taking a little bit of your time this morning with me. I appreciate it. I appreciate all of you. This has just been a really neat experience for me, and I'm grateful always that you spend a little bit of time just tuning in and listening to what I have to say. Okay, I'm going to let you go. Have a good one. Bye-bye and be blessed.